Hey guys, what's going on? It's Chris Hall from the Computers for the Autistic Foundation. As you saw in the intro video, I have acquired a new computer case, which I took all of my computer parts out of my Aplex server case and put them inside a Cooler Master HAF 932. You might be asking yourself, oh, what's so special about that? Well, I just acquired it the other day, and for the fact that to have one of these is kind of odd now, since it being 9 or 10 years old kind of makes it cool. The other thing is it's actually a special case made by DigitalStorm, which has been mentioned in many tech videos from Linus Tech Tips and everybody else. So this company's still around, and they build pretty cool computers with off-the-shelf hardware. So you might be asking yourself, oh, why did you switch to this case? I think it's cool. One, it's a very special case with the custom As to edit in this video, there are a couple of things I changed. There's a couple of things I decided not to do. I tried to put the photos for this in the video, but for some odd reason it's not working. I'm still getting used to iMovie. I'm still getting used to making videos for you guys. It's a very, very complicated and very, very difficult thing for me to learn. I still want to learn it. You know, my build is a FX8320E with a EVGA GTX 750 Superclocked edition with 16 gigs of RAM, with a Samsung Evo 840, 250 gig SSD, and a 1 terabyte, I think it's a WD green hard drive and stuff on a Gigabyte GA-78LMT-USB, something like that, LMT. It's on the top of my head. I don't remember it as of right now, but you know, I'll be sure to post the benchmarks of Cinebench R15 on Instagram and on Facebook for you guys, and the other build videos on Facebook. So be sure to check those out if you want to see more. And be sure to smash that like button. Be sure to leave a comment. Try to give some positive comments. You know, I'm trying my hardest, so you know, I know the video wasn't so great, so be sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, peace out.